What is going on? What's cracking? Yerp. What's popping? How are you guys? What's crack-a-lackin', fam? Hey. What's up, girl? How are you? Trying to test something out. Taking advantage of my you are the first. You are the first. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm also trying to test something. Just gonna leave that right there for you guys. Keep you guys entertained there. 'Cause she's crazy. This is what I've been dealing with all day. She can't hear the music, by the way. This is just what she's doing right now. And the only and the best. Indeed. Yes, absolutely crazy, just like me. Absolutely. Oh, you can see my bag of M&Ms. Evidence. No. You can also see my pride flag. Evidence. No. I want to test something. I got 50 seconds. Oh, co-op. I'm going to put this in preview mode. Let's see this. Will this work? No, it did not work. That's disappointing. Well. I'm clicking too many clicks. So disappointed. What is going on, family? What is cracking? Let's get this over here. Let's go over here. You want some of these? Do you want some of these? Is this what you want? It's the sharing size. I can share with you. D. Crazy dog is left. I don't know where everyone is, but that's okay because I am starving. I haven't eaten dinner. And so I planned on having it be a short stream. So that's good. I wanted to show you guys. I still can't. You'd go for the Costco size. I've been hold on. Let me go back to live mode. Publish. Here you go. Okay. I wanted to show you guys. I'm still trying to figure it out. I feel like I'm going to figure this out this weekend. Let me show you guys. So let me turn on NDI. Let's go to NDI. Any plans for the weekends? You guys? Let me know if you got plans for the weekend. Let's see. So let's come over here. All right, let's come over here and let's do this. This is what I was trying to do. And I thought that I was going to have some luck. And it turns out that I don't. Not right now. So what that really means in India speak, because it really means something, is that I need to try harder. And I'm okay with that. Because I love a good challenge. Where are my scenes? Let me get my scenes. I was moving stuff around. Now I don't know where anything is. All right, here are my scenes. That always happens. Through watching. I don't know. Sometimes Angie watches. She just puts it on and doesn't say anything because she's chasing the kids around. It's okay. All right, so check this out. So let's come into... I was messing with stuff this morning. All right, so this is fine. Koa left us. Whatever. See this? See this? Oh, she's coming up. She's coming back. Bring myself a little bit smaller over here. So I'm in Canva. You guys are looking at my iPad. And this is the app, the Canva app on the iPad itself. And we can go home. And I wanted to, and I don't know why my Apple Pencil's acting whatever. We're going to create a design. And I'm just going to do a custom size. 1920. I really thought I was going to be able to do this. So go to Elements. And then it's already in my recent. That's fine. Because it's Pride Month. So I was like, oh, that's so cute. All right. So here's this. Get it so that we can key it out. Right? All right. That's a good key color. Download this. And so I have it in my files. Right? So then I went, downloaded it, brought it into LumaFusion. So let's delete this here. Here's the video file, right? Okay. Cute dancing unicorn. Very cute. No problem. I bring this down here. Go into LumaFusion. Let's say you want to key this out. Just hit the key. Green screen key. Now this is keyed out. We know that this is keyed out because if I come and I bring this over here. Come on. Anything? These all have to download? Really? Oh, these are movies? Did this download? This is not. Well, where's the video? Just where's my photos? Why? What's happening here? I know this is a picture. Oh, I know why. Silly girl. Okay. Hold on. Let's cancel. Let's unlink this. Delete. Bring this up here. And you can see that this little video and if I want to have this little guy, I thought I was going to have it frame and fit, make this little guy small, put this little guy over here. Koa's barking at somebody. Then we come back, and then I hit play. Right? So you can see what I really was trying to show is that this, by keying it out here in LumaFusion, it is now grayed out. It is a transparent overlay. And I was trying to get it. What's going on? I was trying to get this transparent overlay. So if I delete this, so let's do this again. Trying to get this to upload so that we can bring it in. Because right now there is no ability to take a video file into Ecamm and green screen that out. So this was what I was trying to do. So just double click on this in LumaFusion. Go over here. You guys can't see the top. That's okay. I don't want you to worry about it too much. Green screen this out. It's now keyed out. No problem. We're good. So this is black background. So if I do this movie, I'm going to save it as a photo. Resolution, frame rate, smallest audio quality, include, normal. There's no other settings. I know that in Final Cut Pro, there is a setting to make sure that you alpha it out. And nothing. Oh, with transparency. Does that work? Ooh. So we're doing this on the fly. Did that work? That might have worked. So let me go to my pictures. Where the hell are my pictures here? I feel like an old lady sometimes. Come back. All right. Oh. Did that work? So now I'm going to airdrop this to myself. Okay. Let me open this up. Open, coño. Open. All right. So then let's go back to over here. Hide you. Hey guys, hey. All right, is this the one? Now I don't know which is the one. Oh, darn it. Oh, India. Okay, that move. Moment of truth. Stop. Hey. Okay. Here. No, because it's going to come in as a movie file and that's still not going to work. Oh. Maybe. Hold on. So if I bring this in, see, and you guys are not in my brain, so this is the problem. Choose a file. That move. Open. It came over as transparent. Oh. But now, okay. All right, so now we're going to do one more thing. How cute is that, by the way? If I choose to have this loop, hold on. So we're going to go through all of this. And if I just choose to have a dancing unicorn, how cute is this for Pride Month? I can just do all my videos like this for Pride Month. And that's it. That's just do this whole thing for Pride. This makes me laugh, makes me smile. Hopefully it makes you guys smile. What is cracking, everyone? Thank you for coming through. Richard, what is poppin'? Robin, thank you for coming through. I appreciate you. There's Obs. What is cracking here? It's going. Luis, que lo que? Okay. All right. So now what? Okay. So now I need to, I'm like trying to process this. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm going to show you guys how we did this, but I'm going to just try one more thing. All right, so let me get this out. I want to make sure this works. So I figured out I can get it transparent. I learned how to do that in LumaFusion. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But I want to now bring this in to a WebM file so that instead of this little unicorn being a video and being my whole screen, although this is a cute scene, I want to turn it into an overlay to a WebM file. So now I'm bringing this in to a website really quick. I'm going to see if that works, and if not, then I'm just going to show you what I did in LumaFusion to turn it into a transparent file, and then I'm going to keep messing with it. All right, so now I downloaded that. That's downloaded. So let's come back. Just me. And this is a WebM overlay. Oh, why is this not working? I'm very upset that this is not working. So this is a WebM that I'm bringing in, but this WebM is not coming in as transparent. And it's driving me, for emphasis, driving me absolutely insane. I needed to do that 3 different times because it's driving me insane. That's how I feel right now. Like a big baby. All right, so we're going to go through. So I did figure out I'm halfway there. Richard says I'm giving him some ideas. What kind of ideas? I love giving ideas. So we go back to resume last video. This came over, right? Because if I hide this as a background, that came over as a transparent file. Here's another background. So my little unicorn, my little pony has come over as a transparent file. Let's hide that. I like this one a little bit better. But the problem is that transparency coming over as it, okay, let's start from scratch. So let's start from scratch. So the video itself is this video that we're looking at in the background of the pony is saved as transparent. I figured that out. But the problem now is that I'm trying to turn this video into a WebM file. Because if you turn it into a WebM file, it is supposed to come over as an overlay and not a video, right? Which is this guy here, this one. But now you see that this WebM file did not. So let's go through the steps. What do I need to do? I need to change scenes. So what I'm going to do is go to my camera. I got to turn on NDI again. And I'm going to come over here. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, 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 doom. Okay. All right. Let's check this setting on my camera. What am I doing? Over here. All right. That's fine. Just trying to fix. All right. Okay, so the first thing I did was obviously I went to Canva and I just tried to create a new template. And all I did was I go into elements and I typed in rainbow, and apparently everybody's looking for rainbow backgrounds. So you got all of these and you have video moving files, right? So you have like that little, whatever that's called, rainbow. So you can choose a few different ones. You got that rainbow there. I just kind of went into any one. So I found that one. I actually had a cuter one that I was trying to make fun of Paul. Oh, there it is. There it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a page. So we're going to do this. I'm going to add a page. Let's do white the way it normally is. Let's go back to elements. Oh no, coño. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, doom, doom. Oh, nuts. Somebody's emailing me from work. All right, that'll work for now. What are these? This was the one I really wanted. This one reminded me of Paul. All right, so that's fine. That size. So then I'm going to go and because I want to key this out. I want to save this as a video file. You can see it because I already did the unicorn as keyed. It's there. But if you wanted to just go in, if you don't have it, you click on your plus sign. It brings up your little color picker. Go to the greenish, kind of go up there. Hey. And we're good. So now I'm going to download this file. I already downloaded the first one, so I'm just going to download the second one as an MP4. Cool. That's downloading. And then once that downloads, it's going to save to my camera thing. And it actually gives me an option to open up directly in LumaFusion. So that's what I want to do because we're going to go straight to LumaFusion. And I'm going to delete this one. Hey, what happened there? Oh no. Nope. Let me just save the video. Is that gonna save? Doesn't look like it's cooperating. Okay, so it saved it. Good. So refresh all photos and videos. And there is my photo video. Okay, cool. So if you have something, we did kind of go over this earlier this week, where if you have a file that you want to create as a video file, you do this in Canva. I did it with the kind of the call to actions, the like and subscribe, but you can do this with any type of animated video file that you create in Canva. You just have to make sure that you get it with the right green so that when you go into your video editing app, and it can be LumaFusion, it can be Final Cut, you can do this keying it out with any video editing app. So we're using LumaFusion. So now I'm going to double click on that file. Down on the bottom, you can see color and effects. When we go to color and effects over here on the upper right hand side, there's this picture. It looks like a keyhole, a keyhole thing. That's chroma keying, key it out. And the default is the green screen. So you can see when it shows you over here, these boxes, it's green screen key, and you can see that it's already making the change for you. So cool. I selected that. Sometimes if the green isn't accurate, you can actually click on the eyedropper. And if you want to select the eyedropper will then specify. But I didn't even notice, so the flag gets keyed out because of the section of the flag. But we're going to leave that alone. All right, cool. So now this video file is now transparent. If you want to take this video file and make sure that it saves as transparent, it is a little bit different. And that is also the same if you use Final Cut Pro. You have to save it with transparency, and that's what Rich was asking earlier. So in LumaFusion, and it's going to be in the same exact spot. So when you go to share in Final Cut, or when you go to export it in Final Cut, it's going to kind of be there, right? So over here on the bottom right-hand side, you can see where I have the little blue for the pencil, the cursor. There's that share button. We're going to click on that. I want to share this as a movie. And I want to save it to my pictures. So I'm going to just select my destination for my pictures. And now here you have some settings. So I want to keep everything the same. However, it's under advanced settings where it's video codec. And you have HEVC with transparency. That's what you want to select. And it looks very similar. So you would change the settings in Final Cut Pro when you're going to export it, and you would choose with transparency. And so now I have that. Cool. You can change the format. Do you want it to be an MP4? Do you want it to do a file? I wonder. All right. So you can see, I think because we changed it to HEVC, the only option that I have here is a move file. So that's fine. So now I'm going to save that. So now that saved the file to my photos as a transparent file. All I'm going to do is I'm going to airdrop that to myself on my Mac Mini. So you see I have the file there where we saved it from Canva with the green. This is the file with transparency saved. So I'm going to hit my up, share that to myself, have it show up on my Mac Mini. It's going to do what it does. And now I have it on my Mac Mini. And so now if I want to go back to this scene here, I'm going to take this out. Now here's the thing. Check this out. So now we got live demo mode. I got a lot of windows open. Don't judge me. Let's close some of these windows here. Oh, hey girl, hey. How are you? Let's just close. To just not distract you guys. Gonna minimize this bad boy. And I'm gonna move some of these over. Okay. Okay, so now you're looking at live demo mode. That's saved as a video file, right? As a move file. So in order to get that into Ecamm, we're gonna take our window, and you have where you can choose your cameras. The middle, you have your screen share. So if I wanted to share my screen, or we have the little film option on the top, which is choose file to bring in a video. So I am cancel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this. I don't want to share my screen. So I want you guys to see me. Then I'm going to choose a file that is in my downloads because I airdropped it to myself. And now this file is transparent. And how do we know that? Because over here in my overlays box that I'm moving around, you can see I have these two down here where it's show in background. These are just backdrops that I downloaded. So now you can see that video file, I have my background, whatever background I choose, right? I can either have that, this video file, and if I, is now saved as a transparent. So now when you go in and when you start, you can, and this, I know Doc, if he was here, he'd be yelling at me because he has absolutely shown us how to take a video file and I'm going to turn off live demo mode. He has absolutely shown us how to take a video file like this and turn it into an overlay, right? So the way I have my regular overlays, like this, right? So I have your overlay over here. I don't even know. That's fine. I'll bring it over here. It needs to be dark. There you go. So you can take a video file and turn it into an overlay so that you can manipulate where it shows up on your screen, manipulate the size, right? If you wanted to make it bigger. So this is where I'm lost at. Let me just make this smaller again. And that's what I was trying to do, was take that same video file and turn that into an overlay using WebM. And that's where I'm hung up at. That is a good question, Gigi. The green on the fan is missing because if we go back to the original file, that was the same exact green. So when I hit keyed out, that's the one thing you got to be careful with. When I keyed out the green background, it's keyed out that section. My NDI keeps turning off. Stop turning off. Espérate. Espérate un momento, por favor. There you go. So I got keyed out because the green here gets lost in the sauce. So if I would have changed that background to black, you see how that black. So I guess no, you can't do blue. I would say blue screen it instead of green screen it, but then there's blue on the fan, and that's because it's the colors of the rainbow. But that is why that particular, if I were to do the unicorn, then because you see the unicorn itself doesn't have any green in it, nothing will get keyed out. But because this particular one has green in the fan, it keyed it out. All right, so now this is what I want to do with you guys. So I want to do a screen share. So let me just come back over here. Let me go to my screen share. I'm starving. So if we can't get this today, have no fear. India is here. Not really. But if we can't get it done today, this is all because I'm delusional. If we cannot get it done today, I'm going to keep working on this, and I'll call Doc and I'll have Doc yell at me, and then that'll fix the answer. But that is not, I like to do it on my own. Let's bring this bad boy over here. Let's do this over here. Let's do this. Very good, very good, very good. And we are going to convert, move to WebM. Ooh, with alpha. Hey, come back. With alpha. Dum. Paul took the evening off today. And I knew he took the evening off today. I don't want to bother him. Ooh, we got some options over here. We got some options. So that's what you need to make sure. Convert, move to WebM, resolution, quality, fit, scale, video codec. It's none of those. Don't change that. Resolution, don't change that. Quality, don't change that. Fit. So that's the thing. WebM converter. So there is a way. There is absolutely a way, and this is what I'm trying to figure out. And clearly you can see other people have also. And this is to download the software, and I tried downloading it, and I don't want to do that. Not with OBS. 3 ways to convert your alerts from Move to WebM with transparency. Let me see. I'm just going to mute this really quick. All right, it is muted. Shutter encoder. Is that the site? Oh, that might be the site. This is the site. I downloaded this. Is this on my computer? I think I downloaded it on my on my MacBook Pro. All right. So this is what the site that Paul uses, and Doc, I believe. Shutter encoder. I downloaded it. However, I downloaded I don't want to donate because I've done this already. Okay, there we are. I did donate. I want to, come on. All right, so it's giving me this is from an unknown developer. So I'm going to right click. So I got to open up my downloads, my Finder. You guys see that? Yep, you guys can see that there. Come on. Oh my goodness. All right. Open. Yes, I want to open. So I'm going to download this. And this should be the missing link. Yes, I want to install this. And I have it on my MacBook Pro, and I forgot to install it here. This should be the missing link. Should being the operative word. Okay. So now you see the software. Hey, what's cracking? Okay. So now you are seeing the software, little small, can I make this bigger? Oh, we don't want that. All right. So we're going to choose the file. Downloads. Test overlay. Okay. That's the file that I saved from LumaFusion with transparency. Now, we want to look for where the hell is it a web video? Is this it? See, some of these things, these are like, even for me, Paul definitely helped me with this. No. Advanced features. Nope. So I don't. Nope. 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 Let's cancel this. Come on. Clear. I'm going to try this again. I appreciate you guys' patience. I really do. Because you know I'm absolutely determined, right? Like, that's the problem. That I am 100% determined. And you guys are here because you guys are just as determined as me. All right, so that's the file. Choose function. No. That's me taking a breath. All right, I'm going to close this. I'm going to force close it. I'm going to open it again. Let's open this again. Try it again. Okay, browse. Downloads. Test overlay. That is it. Here. Okay. Output. So you see under all of these output codecs, none of these say WebM. Unless it's a web video. No, that's not it. You know, I try to, where's, go back, Shutter encoder. Thanks for your download. Go back, convert. Maybe if I read the instructions, if I watch this video, it's 1 minute long. Is this what happens? Don't judge me. Okay. Let's see. So we're going to bring the movie over. Yes. Drag it over. Great. Thank you. Informations. Okay, right click. Color space. What does that mean to me? Okay. ProRes. Yep. Okay. Uh-huh. Do you think I should be listening to this? Okay. VP9. Okay. Oh, stop. Let's go back. Let's go back. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Let's go back. Go back. VP9. Boom. Wait, hold on. Oh, okay. Then it says WebM. Okay. I'm like, wait a minute. I know I saw more. All right. So we chose VP9. Then here you can see it says WebM, which is what we want. Let's go back to this video. Hey, what am I doing? Oh, let's go back to the video. Okay. Gonna go back and hit play. WebM. Very good. Very good. Advanced features. Enable alpha channel. Start function. Process completed. There's the new file. Okay. And then okay, let us see. So let's do this again. What is it? Enable alpha channel advanced. Okay, so you're going to come down here to advanced features. Okay, I'm like, I don't see it. Enable alpha channel. Selected. I didn't cancel this. It says process canceled. Wait, what? Start function? Okay. So start function. It's doing it. I need it to have music. Yes, I would like to allow downloads. Oh, did you hear that notification? Okay. This is the WebM. I'm going to drag this over here. That did not fucking work. I am done. Didn't work. It absolutely, I feel like it is user error. And so I'll be honest with you, I did try this. So when we were going over Canva in the very beginning of my 100 days, I absolutely did try this with Paul because I was trying to do some other things. Because Gigi, I was absolutely, I was done. Because I was hoping for this to work and it didn't work. And I don't understand. And you know what's so bad, like I said, is that I'm going to end the stream there and I'm going to open up my laptop upstairs. Listen, this video that I'm mad you spit out your water. Because I'm absolutely done. I don't understand. I wasn't even going to bring it up. What? Okay, so he's showing that he's going to bring this file into OBS. Fantastic. All right, he's bringing it into OBS. Let me make myself smaller. Bro, it has to be because he brought that in. Okay, all right. I'm going to take accountability. Oh, look, it's recommending my video. That's nice. I'm going to take accountability that there has to be something that I am doing wrong. I just don't know what that is. So bring in a file, WebM, enable alpha channel. There was nothing else that he showed. So let's clear this. Do it again. Gonna try this one more time, and then if not, I'm going to end the stream. Let's do an MP4. Okay. Enable alpha. Start function. And if it doesn't work, we're going to end the stream there. At least I showed you guys how to key it out. Lewis, you're here. Lewis, you have to know, Lewis. Lewis, why are you not saying anything? Lewis, I know you know the answer. Lewis, I know. Oh, I didn't fix the 9 days to go. I got to fix that. I know, Lewis, that you know the answer. Why are you not giving me the answer, Lewis? Lewis, you're a video editor. I know you know the answer. Don't make me FaceTime you and put that shit on the screen because I absolutely will. Let me come back to the scene over here. Thank you, K-Walk. I appreciate you. Okay, so that downloaded again. It's over here, this test overlay. I believe that's it. Did it? Can I preview this? Is this it? I feel like that's not going to work. No, that's not it. Where's the file? What's wrong? What's wrong? Because you know the answer and because I said I was going to FaceTime you? Huh? I'm gonna let that shit play out. I'm gonna let the cops in the background play out. Because that's how I feel right now. I'm feeling spunky right now. Okay? All right, that's annoying. Gonna stop it. Process completing. Test overlay. Is this the one? Why? Guys, I'm depressed. I'm paying extra attention to see what you're doing. So the file is coming in. Let's go back. Let's start from scratch. I'm going to show you, not literally from scratch, but what do I want to do? I'm going to go to this scene here. Go back one. This is the file. The file is transparent. You want me to start over? I'm going to start over because this is really quick. So I'm going to start over. Coño, maldita sea. That's how I feel right now. I need to go eat. My hunger, Lewis, don't take this personally. Everybody else on the stream, don't take this personally. How about we just do this? We're going to do this in the background. Can I loop this? This is going to make this all better. Because the name of this song is called Happy Walk. I'm going to have this on the background. It's going to make me happy. Allegedly. Okay. So I went into LumaFusion. I have a file. You see these files, I'm going to delete this. This little dancing unicorn. I'm going to bring the dancing unicorn in from LumaFusion. And I'm going to key him out, right? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to get through this. Turn that off. So I'm going to key my little unicorn out, right? Just lower that a little bit more. Going to key my little unicorn guy out. And now my unicorn has been keyed out. Cool. Now I'm going to share this. I'm going to export it. I want to save it to my pictures. And here's my export settings. Let me hide this overlay as well. Shut up your face. No, don't do that. Where are all my things? Okay. Okay, so under advanced settings, I'm going to, so you can see, I saved this file with transparency. And so now I don't have any other options unless I need to listen to the video. Saving the file with transparency, which it worked. So when I save it with transparency, if we come back and I bring that's one file. Here's the other file. These files are saved transparent because I'm going to hide the background. I think they should. Yes, right? Because there you go. That's proof. Can you use screen as blend? Yeah, but then it looks ugly. Because look, the file itself, you can see, look at the background. The background is coming in. It's an alpha file. That's the video. So the video saved as a transparent. I keyed it out. So now this video file, because as I changed my backgrounds, the pony is no longer green. So we're good. But this is a video file. So I can't bring it in as an overlay. That's why I'm trying to change it. You have to download the man with the fan with a black background so that you can use it. I did that. So you're saying this here, he has a black background. With black? Why? No, that's transparency. He has transparency. So just make the background black? Like in Canvas, you're saying? Is that what I've been doing wrong? I'm gonna see. I come back over here. All right. Cancel this. Drop him in instead of using chroma key. Use the screen as blend mode. All right, let me download it black. I get what you're saying, so I'm gonna trust you. So let me download this so that he has a black background. Send it to my mini. Oh, I actually have to go to LumaFusion. Okay. So now let's get rid of the pony. My little pony, my little pony. Okay, double click. So Lewis is saying to double click on the file, and instead of going to color and effects, I'm going to go to frame and fit. And you see down here under frame and fit, there's something called blending. You can. I got you. You got me. I got you. So now, that didn't work, Lewis. Because if I blend it out, I'm about to quit. Yeah. I'm about to quit. And not quit. I'm about to work on this on my own in the background. $7.57. That one. I'm gonna work on it on my own, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tell you guys that I figured it out by tomorrow. Is what is really gonna happen, because I need to go eat dinner. And I'm being a cranky pants. And I'm fully aware that I'm being a cranky pants. And that's okay. No, this is not working. I don't think it's a LumaFusion thing. It's a WebM thing. So let me eat, Lewis. Because if not, I'll just yell at you, and Angie can tell you all the ways how I yell at people when I'm hungry. So Lewis is going to help me figure this out after the fact. After I eat. You see, you guys want me to FaceTime Lewis while we're on the phone so I can yell at him. I will not do that. I'll yell at him in private, not in public. Listen, I'm starving. I'm ravenous. I'm absolutely ravenous. But at least now we get to see this really cute pony, and we are going to turn this into an overlay. We're going to figure this out. I am determined. Did you know? Yes, I have a tattoo here, and this tattoo says perseverance. Because I persevere. And I do not give up. Yes. Yes. Angie says yes, she will yell. And this unicorn will not look like a cute unicorn anymore. We need to make it a spokesperson. Did I tell you guys when I used to be a bank manager for TD Bank? Let's say I had to go to the vault, or when I went to the bathroom or something, I would come back and there would be Snicker bars on my desk. They knew. They knew. And then how can I be mad at the team when, you know? So that is absolutely a thing. Hulk smash, 100%. Thank you, K-Walk. I appreciate it. I am going to go eat. I'm going to order food, get some Chinese food, some totones. For those of you guys, if you know, totones, plantains, hot sauce, ketchup. Haven't decided if I wanted some chicken wings or if I want some chicken gizzards. Better leave me alone. No, because I'm going to get some Chinese food. And you know the Chinese food from the corner store. The corner chinos. The Brooklyn is coming out of me. The corner chinos will be done in 15 minutes. I'll call you in under an hour because I'm going to figure this shit out tonight. Because we're going to do what we do. And this way. Oh, that's wrong. Damn it. See, that's what happens when you're hungry. Frick. There you go. Let's move this over here. Right above my head. 9 days to go. I gotta center that. That's ugly. I gotta figure it out. I don't like that. Bonus stream. I don't think tonight there will be a bonus stream because I actually have to get to work. I have so much pipeline application. Oh, don't depress me. We'll get it tomorrow. You guys will get the stream tomorrow. 9 days to go. Day 91. Can you believe this? Day 91? With 9 days to go? I appreciate you guys. Oh, here, because you guys enjoy this so much. Let's go back. Let's go back over here. You would think that she is innocent. She absolutely is not. You know what this is? This is a charade where she has tired herself. She knows I'm talking about her. She just blinked her eyes. Been driving me she was riled up. If you go to the very beginning and you look at the countdown timer, I switched. This is what we were looking at the beginning of my countdown timer, and she was going absolutely nuts. She was going nuts. I would have taken that. Then what? Oh no, I need to know what you came home to. All right, fam. I'm going to figure it out. I am going to call Lewis once I'm done eating. We're going to figure this out because we're going to work this into bringing video files that are keyed out as alpha into Ecamm. I'm going to teach you that before these 9 days are up. All right, y'all. I appreciate you guys. The support has been real. 9 days to go. It's almost the end. But it's not really the end. Love you guys. Have a good night. Lewis will talk. I'll text you. Gigi, you'll text me. And I'll catch you guys mañana. Peace out, you guys.
Yeah.